Greetings, Mr. Elamulati, sir. I welcome you to this brief FAQ session on behalf of Step in Engineering. So, before we start, I would like to give a brief introduction about our experienced trainer over here. He is Mr. Elamulati, sir, with over 37 years of experience in process design, primarily working for oil and gas. He is an MTech graduate from IIT and he has done his MTech in chemical engineering. He has experience in software such as HYSYS, Aspen Plus, Olga, and PipeNet. He has done major projects with KNPC, Kuwait, and he is also a faculty member for lots of engineering courses. He has wide international experiences in working in areas such as Malaysia and Kuwait, etc. So, sir, welcome you once again. So, sir, what is the potential for career growth in the oil and gas industry for budding process engineers?
Yeah, your first question is on the potential for career growth in oil and gas industries. So, if you ask me, the potential for career growth in oil and gas industry is excellent. In sense, see, oil and gas is a evergreen field compared to other sectors like fertilizer, pharmaceutical, refineries, and other industries. Oil and gas is actually ever growing field in sense. So there's a lot of plenty of ample of opportunities available. Start to work starting from oil exploration, drilling, upstream, downstream. There's so many sectors are there. So especially people with oil and gas experience. In my opinion, oil and gas industry is a rewarding field in terms of salary, in terms of your wages, in terms of the opportunities to work, and people who like to explore various countries. So if you have a CV in oil and gas industry, you can work any part of the world. See, I worked in oil and gas industry starting from Malaysia, Eastern Malaysia. Then I got an opportunity in Western Malaysia. Then with that experience, I was working in Chennai itself for Saipem, which is actually EPC company in oil and gas industries. Then from there, I went to Nigeria. Nigeria is basically the oil and maximum oil producing country in African countries. Then I went to Kuwait. Then I went to Qatar. So most of the industry actually because I had experience in oil and gas, although it was not much, but it was only about 5 to 10 years experience in
Okay.
so mostly on process design. So I can say that because of the oil and gas experience I had, I was able to travel to all these countries. I don't think with the fertilizer and the petrochemical is okay. So if you get an opportunity in oil and gas industry, please pursue. Okay. So that is my advice.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
That is great to know about the career growth. So, sir, could you please brief about the advanced process design training? That is, what it is all about, and for whom it can be pursued by.
Okay. Now the question number two is about the so what is this advanced process design training program about and who will get benefited?
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, although the course title it says advanced process design training, but to some extent, actually, the course training program actually it also involves the basic requirement for any process engineer, okay, to understand. See, this training program actually, which is designed in such a way that not only process engineers, okay, because there are certain models like PNID, PFDA, okay, and pipeline simulation. These are requirements for even mechanical piping people also should be aware of it. Okay, so it's not only process engineer for other disciplines also they will get benefited when they attend, especially the model number one, which talks about the block flow diagram, PND, legends, and symbols. So what are the basic requirements of PND? So when you are drafting the PND, uh, s- um, what are the issues you face? Okay, what are the minimum requirements you need to take care of? So this program actually is very much essential for the people who are who wants to work in process design, or even for the freshers. So who wants to go into the process design and pursue process engineering as a career.
Okay.
Not only for those people already working, because I come across many process engineers without knowing the fundamentals, like I did a calculation and research I come across, okay? Because these people actually they go through the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is something as a spreadsheet, you put your inputs and output actually you get and submit. You don't know what is the formula inside and what is the various constants because the spreadsheet was built up by someone. So you just you become a spreadsheet engineer. So you don't know what are the various equations involved, what are the various So there's also an amount of risk involved when we are using other spreadsheet. So you should go through this various codes and standards, understand how these equations are applied, why this equation, why these constants are, all those things. So all these requirements actually, as per the codes and standards, are explained in this training program. So my recommendation is actually the people, even the graduates, freshers, who want to take process engineering as a career, and people who are already practicing as a process engineer, undergo this course and understand how these equations are applied, how the simulations are used. So the contents of the program is such that the requirement that process engineer should know. If you want to survey in process engineering, so this program is really useful. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's useful. Is I can say it's a mandatory.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Next one.
Sir,
What are
so what do you think are the requirements or some prerequisites for joining the process design program, sir, that anyone should possess?
yeah, yeah, as I already said, actually, it is not only for the process engineers, okay, and it is also for other disciplines like uh, mechanical and piping, especially. Even other instrumentation, electrical also, civil, because especially the model one actually talks about the PNAD, which is some other document for the entire disciplines. That is a basic document where in which actually the piping, mechanical, instrument are people, so they need to start working on it. So
Okay.
unless otherwise they understand um, how the P&D, okay, we should know how to read the P&D.
Yes, sir.
Especially piping mechanical people, they should know how to read the P&D. If they don't read the P&D, they cannot do the design. So especially for the model number one, I recommend all the disciplines to attend. And of course, uh, for process engineers, actually, it is a must because P&D is a starting point for any design. Okay,
Okay.
so any industry, whether it is oil and gas or refining or petrochemical, so we call it as a basic block flow diagram, which actually everybody should have. Okay, understand what
Starts
it is.
from there. It's the
Then
beginning.
PFD, PFD. Yeah.
Yes.
So all these things are explained in the. It will be explained during the training
Training
program.
session. Okay, sir. So, how do you, according to you, do you think that this program will help any operations plant or a pharma engineer to switch their careers, or how beneficial do you think it will be for another discipline person to switch into this career? Sir?
Yeah, it's a good question actually. Because this question actually many people come across many juniors. Because these people actually they start their career because once you graduate or postgraduate you get an opportunity. So because we are after completing after spending so much of money for your engineering, completing your engineering, you like to go for a job and start earning.
Yes.
Okay. So sometimes actually you are in need of money to support your parents. Because they spend so much money on you. So, so you accept something, whatever available, whatever, okay, whatever come across, like whether it is a process industry, operation, or whether a
Pharma.
pharmaceutical, or paper industry. But after some time, no, after working 2 3 years, so they feel that their the skill is not properly utilized, especially when you work in industries, when you start working, you get shift okay, around the clock. So it is only operation, okay. So when you go through the operation, actually the operation, the plant is already built, designed and built in, I mean, for years together. So you feel that you don't have much to contribute, okay. Then at point, although you get no, the wages in process industry when you work, it's good, okay, because they give a lot of incentives, especially when you go in the ship Actually, it's not that you cannot switch over. Okay, you can switch over very easily. In fact, actually, there are some design industries. Actually, they look people from operational experience because process design is. I mean, not only process design, engineering organization. It's not the design. They have a separate team for construction. They have a team for pre-commissioning, commissioning. So the people really worked in process industries. We are very much, the skill is very much utilized in the design.
Okay.
Especially people know youngsters actually when that directly go into the design. So they look at the legends and say, oh, this is the pump, this is the compressor, this is the one. So they have not seen actually live plant. So, but people from process industry and pharmaceutical industry, when they switch over to this design, they already got an aware, okay? They are aware of what is a pump, how it is working, okay? When the pump is tripping, why it is tripping, all those things. So the skill is really, in fact, actually they can perform much better in design when they switch over, but it is very, very, only thing is you need to look for opportunities, okay?
Okay.
There will be some hiccups will be there initially because you are directly joining because see as a designer you start from graduate directly enter design then you start practicing your PND draw okay all Excel spreadsheet calculation. But when a person with the pharma industry after 10-15 years experience is switch over, he comes directly here. So
Yes, sir.
he'll have some initial teething problems. So all those things can be overcome. It needs put in some extra effort. For your
Okay.
kind information, I switched over to actually although my experience 37 years, but the first 15, 19 years actually it was not directly design. At the age
Okay.
of 44, I switched over to full-fledged design. But okay, it's not a bad decision, but it was a good decision. To get there, it's performing okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was nice to hear, sir. So, sir, how much do you think a fresher will be able to understand the concepts in the initial stages, considering the
So
course is
actually, this
titled?
training program actually is designed in such a way. It's some of the models actually it's like a spoon feeding.
Okay.
Okay. In sense, actually, we have explained with respect to codes and standards. Actually, the engineering design should be done as per codes and standard today. So
Okay.
if you the client accepts once you say that this equation we have taken from this standard to standard, so this parameter has taken from this. Okay, if you say textbook, people will not accept. Okay, you need to
Yes.
say either it is APS standard or if you are working for a shell project, or if you are working for refining the OAC standard in India. So these are the things. If you are working for firefighting system, NFPS standards are applicable. So like that,
Okay.
actually in the course, actually we have mentioned where these equations, where this formula, everything is taken, and also we are given the step-by-step calculation for each and every model. So
Okay.
that actually even the person don't understand during the training program, he can go back home and look at the equations and do it himself. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, actually the program is being designed. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, so now regarding the existing process design engineers who are working in the oil and gas industry, how much more do you think it will benefit them than their current exposure, sir?
This is really beneficial. The training program benefit process is already working. Because see, as I already said, people working in process industry, so many people they don't know what they are doing. Okay. Okay, that's what I can say. Because I have come across many people, they are just using the formula and okay. What formula this formula is, why this concept? For example, I was telling you last time during the introduction like a two-phase flow calculation, which is widely okay, which is a major problem in the oil and gas industries. Okay, so
Okay.
the flow coming from the well actually it will have both the condensate or okay, liquid gas, all the three phases will be there sometimes.
Okay.
So sometimes even the sand formation will be there. So if there is a sand content higher, actually the erosion will take place. So the oil and gas industry, the process engineer working, they should understand what is the concept of erosion velocity. Because they are using a spreadsheet, they don't know what is the okay, C value to be taken. All those things are explained in this. So if they attend this course and understand this course, so they will be really beneficial. They will become real process engineer. The confidence level will go up. Okay, when they go for meeting and the client with meeting, they can talk with the facts and figures.
Okay.
Then you will be appreciated and your documents will be approved. Okay.
Okay. So, sir, in this module or in this course, I hope we'll be teaching or including the PipeNet software. So how much do you think that it will be beneficial for the process engineers to learn about PipeNet software, sir?
See, pipeline software, actually, if you ask me, actually, there are now all the design, everything is software oriented.
Okay.
So all the spreadsheet calculation, the manual calculation is no more.
Yes.
Especially the client actually demands. So if this document should be prepared as with respect to ICs. This document, we can see right now, actually, we are doing one project for the SPCL, okay?
Okay.
SPCL, that is the LPG transporting a pipeline. The client said it should be done by pipeline studio.
Okay.
Okay. So especially if you are doing for on the this, welded calculation, it should be done by Volta.
Okay.
So because so like this, now for each and every application, there's a software available.
Okay.
So if you are working fire water system, it is a network. So it should be done by PipeNet or Fathom. So PipeNet, in my see, ICs and PipeNet, these are the two basic software program with process engineer. Okay,
Okay.
you should know how to practice, you should know how to apply. If you want to survive in process design, you should know both ICs
Okay.
and PipeNet.
Okay.
There are some limitations with respect to ICs. Okay, like if you have a very big fire water system, if you have a potable water system, it is a network system. So ISIS cannot handle. So
Okay.
ISIS actually it has got a reputation with respect to adjuster. People who have used ISIS, they will be aware of this.
Okay.
Okay, only one inlet, one outlet. Okay, you can fix only one target and change the feed. But pipeline is not like that. It's a netted system. It can handle multiple inputs and multiple outputs.
Okay.
So pipeline actually it's a must for fire water system, and I don't think any other software. Even Fathom is also there, but Fathom is not that user friendly because I used Fathom, but I still recommend. But when you talk about the fire water system, client will say pipeline. That's all.
Okay.
Because pipeline actually there is advantage like you can do the complete uh, fire water apparatus.
Okay.
Apparatus in sense your what do you call it, the hydrant, monitor, phone system, all these things can be designed. Okay.
Okay.
So I strongly recommend pipeline is no, without pipeline you cannot survive. Okay.
Okay.
Very simple. Yeah.
So, sir, in terms of career progression for the process engineers, what do you think should be given more priority, sir? The advanced software skills or strengthening their conceptual
Just
knowledge?
now we have been talking.
Yes,
The
sir.
software, everything is based on software oriented.
Yes.
Especially all your calculation, hydraulic calculation, and whatever the this thing, yeah, you do, design you do. Once you say that it's all based on ISIS. ISIS, what you are going to do is actually you are going to, like, for example, if you are doing hydraulic calculation, you take a pipe segment, you take it like this, and okay, and you attach a printout. That's a self-explanatory.
Okay.
Because all these softwares actually been validated.
Okay.
Okay, it's not like a spreadsheet. It's been validated. It has been approved worldwide. Okay, especially ISIS now version 14.
Okay.
Okay, starting when I started my career, I started using 2.2 in the
Okay.
year 2000. In the year 2003, in the port in Nigeria. Now it is version 14.
14.
Okay, to some extent, actually the advanced this thing. The capability of ISIS is so much today. Anything, everything you can do.
Okay.
And the moment once you say your report says the references from ISIS and the printed devices, that's approved. No questions.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So, sir, this course runs for about 5 weeks. What happens if participant misses a session? So, or how can he cope up with the missed out sessions, sir?
Yeah, already they said that this, the video you can, okay, it's possible it can happen because we are scheduled for every Saturday, Sunday we have scheduled for about 5 weeks. So that would be we may miss it or not, but the video will be available in the YouTube. Okay, so you can always watch it, and the materials also there. The materials, as I already said, it's a basic calculation. Everything is there. You can go through.
So, it can be a repetitive reference that can be done in the step engineering YouTube. Okay. So, sir, will this course include any hands-on practice, or how much interactive will it be, or how much opportunities will it provide, sir? for question and answers to be discussed.
Yeah.
So
See, it is going to be more interactive because, yes, but we have scheduled the questions actually at the end of the session. Okay.
okay,
The schedule, each model is going to be for 3 hours, maybe about half an hour. Actually, we will allocate the time for questions.
okay,
The problem is actually if we allow the questions more interactive, so we don't know because it is actually an online program.
yes, sir.
So we don't know what questions and people some know. It may be heterogeneous group. So
Okay,
fundamental thing will start people will asking then others also will post. So that
okay,
is the reason actually. So we have scheduled the question answer at the end. But also we are going to give the questions, okay?
okay,
Each model will contain about 10 questions for which you need to answer. We will evaluate and give the scoring also. Okay.
okay.
So it is a good program which I recommend um, all disciplines to undergo and get benefited. For the money you pay, really worth it.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's my conclusion. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Hope this FAQ session would have been useful to all of you. If you do have any further clarifications, you can always check out our social media pages. We are available in LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. We also have an exclusive YouTube page called Step in YouTube, where you can always check out the lectures that have been missed by yourself. And for the registration of this course, all you have to do is visit our Step in Engineering website, and you'll have all the details over there. Thank you.